Just got home from Sabbath. Y'all, my son made this last night. I didn't get a chance to eat last night because I fell asleep. But when I tell you his pasta's so good, he got spinach in it. This chicken pasta is so good. Thanks to Baby Tweet, King Albert. He do his big one. I trust him in the kitchen all the time. He do a wonderful job. It's good and hot.
What you trying to say?
What's wrong with the microwave?
I trust you too, Ariel, but I'm saying he more experienced.
With what?